Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video. So on the latest episode of Living the Dream with Somizi called Somizi and asked her to help him in finding a good divorce lawyer since he is going through a messy divorce with Mohale Motaung. Somizi shocked Mamkhize when he mentioned that Mohale demands a 50-50 split from his estates. Somizi said Mohale is crazy for even demanding half of Somizi's estate when he came with nothing into the marriage. She said, and I quote, "Watlanya, he's out of his mind. Are we supposed to work hard and give people half?" Now, in his diary session, Somizi said Mohale just can't walk into his life and demand half of his estate when he came into the marriage with absolute nothing. He even went as far as calling him a corn. Now, the people on Twitter have come for Mohale after people said he felt entitled and is a scam when one tweet tagged Mohale and said this. "Shame, Somizi made you fly in private planes." Mohale responded by saying he was my husband, wasn't he? Who was he supposed to fly? You? And now in the comment section, people were coming out for Mohale and labeling him of being a gold digger and a corn artist. Here are some of those. Husband or used as a campaign husband. Work hard, brother. Stop chasing other men's fortunes. And Mavis said, "You never loved Somizi, you just trapped him. Every day you were counting his belongings, that after 2 years, you planned this before marriage vele, that you want to benefit. Unfortunately, you didn't even think of signing as you knew was a contract of 24 months. Well, there you have it, guys. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below. And please do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe. I will surely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much. Bye.